Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up at FrenchieStamps.com in the US. Today I'm going to share with you this holiday kit on page 4 of the mini catalog, August to December. So this comes with the stamp set. Well, the stamp set, it's not all here because we're going to be using it, but you know what, if I put a white sheet there, here we go. So and this is one, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stamp that you get. So you get this, you get the spots, and did you know that the ink spot, when it gets dry, you can buy the re-inker and fill them also just like a big stamp pad. Also, the spots are amazing when you use the stamp apparatus. So you get the spot, you get a clear block. Note that the clear block, this is not our regular clear block. They're very thin and kind of sharp on the edge, so I really recommend a bigger block, and that would be the number or the letter D. If you decide to purchase an extra block, it's going to be the number D. And what I like, you see it's rounded and you get a groove there, so you can hold it tighter and easier. But for beginner, this would be, you get everything that you need, okay? It makes 15 cards. 15 cards that it makes, and you get a lot more than to make 15 cards with the embellishment and so on. So I'm going to share with you. So this here, for $35, you would make 15 cards with the envelope, and it comes with everything that you need. So with that being said, you get the glue dots on this. You get the dimensional, and then you get it's 4 or 5 sheets of this. 3 sheets. 3 sheets of the banner, and each sheet you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 21. So you see you get more than for 15. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18 of this. Again, it's more than your 15 cards. You're gonna get, here we go. So the one with all the design, let me find one that I didn't dig in it. You're gonna get 8 of this. So really, with one sheet, you can use everything on that for 2 cards. And you're still going to have extra, because 15, 8, that would be 2 each, 16. So you're going to have leftover. I'm about done with my cards, and see, I got all this, so I could add more or do many more cards. It is a truckload you're getting with this. So you can put some inside. I'm going to show you all that. And this also, you're getting 18 of them, because you get 3 sheets of them, and it's 6 each. So you see, you get a lot. So you can make a mistake and still have some. Now, that's all like in the embellishment. You get those little glue dots here. It's just for a little embellishment. Already the glue in the back. And you get kind of the instruction there. Oops, something fell over here. Did I look at that? No. Okay. So I look at the picture at the top though, so I'm going to share with you how to do it with a picture and how to do it without a picture, and then I'm going to share all the one that I made here. So after I do the 2 with you, I'm going to be done with the kit. It is a quick kit. So the gold sheet comes like this, so you just, it's laser cut, so you're just going to pop this out. I kept one so I can share with you. Here we go. So this here, I would not toss that away. I'm going to keep them. You can do a punch some circle, punch something to do other cards, because remember, you're going to have a lot of embellishment. Let's say that I would take my 2-inch circle. Then you, of course, you're going to need more cardstock, but here we go. I got a 2-inch circle, and then I could take one of the flower add that like this on the card. You can use them many ways, okay? Okay, you're gonna get 15 of the card base. And this is the 6x7, is it what it is? 1 minute here. There are 7 by 5, 7 by 5. So it's the bigger card than normal, 7 by 5. The picture that I got done, they're the 4 by 6. Let me grab the picture. We're going to do one of the picture of my family here. And it's a casual picture of the family because that's the only picture that we take. We don't take fancy picture because we don't do fancy. So I'm going to get my base here. You could use the glue dot to apply that. One thing, so two things really that I recommend with the kit. I recommend a different block if you don't have a block, and the liquid glue. So that's it. You can do without any of the extra that I say I suggest, but this is going to make life much easier. So what I'm doing, I'm putting glue just around the frame, okay? So I'm going to put it all around the frame. You could put just a few glue dots if you don't have the glue. Now, when I put this on my card base, oh, I said the picture first. It's too late now. We're going to do the picture next. I just put it there. Don't press it hard. Just align it that it's straight. Here we go. I'm just going to put my hands on it, flip it, and then just rub it in the back. That's make it a lot easier. Okay, so we got this frame. We're going to finish that in a minute. Let's do with the picture here. So the picture is the same thing. I'm going to put the glue in the back. I'm going to put this down here. Try to put that in the center of the card. Now we're going to, again, some of those little pieces here, you know, I would have to push them out. I'm not worrying really about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the glue. Just do a little line all around here. Now here I have to be a little bit more delicate because of my picture. I'm going to go at the top of the picture there. Now I'm going to try to align this. Let's crick it over there. Okay, that looks pretty straight to me. Okay, now flip it and rub. Okay, because of my picture was a funky shape, one of them, let me share the picture one that I finished. Only one of them I added the Merry Christmas. The rest I just add the element on it and call it good, and then I did the greeting inside. So whatever you prefer, I'm just going to put the element on the outside, and I love the big pine cone for this because of the scenery that we get there. Now I'm going to be using the dimensional. This is a little foam pop-up here if you're not sure what that is. This would be an awesome kit also for somebody that never made card before. This would be very simple to do. So I'm going to come here, put that on the side there, and then inside I'm going to bring my big stamp set, and then I'm going to bring my ink spot. So you see, even if the stamp set is way bigger than the ink spot, it's okay. You take the ink spot in your hand, tap, 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 and we're going to stamp that right here. So this ink spot come in the kit, okay? Boom. So then I could take another embellishment, put it here if I want, or in the stamp, you do have a pine cone, you have the branch, you got the berries. So if you want to invest, or if you already got soft suede, so you can add soft suede for your pine cone. I'm going to put that right there. Now I'm going to do my branch, and the branch I'm going to put it right there, and then another one right here. It's no right and wrong. I just want to share with you those elements or the stamp in the set that come with that. Now for the little berries, I like to use cherry cobbler, and I'm going to take cherry cobbler and put that right here. Et voila. So now you saw the element or the other stamp set. It is two that I didn't use for this card. I used this greeting for my greeting card for this year. You're going to see the video coming up lately. Soon, I mean. Season greeting, I didn't use that one at all, but I use to you and yours. I did that. Merry Christmas to you and yours. I did that in my cards. So et voila, that's how simple it is. Another thing that I always say, when you do cards, take your envelope and you might as well decorate it right away. Let's say that you don't have any other color. You can take the branch here. We're going to do 1, 2, and then let me twist this a bit, 3. So I got the little branch there, or you can add more detail with like the one we did in here. Now let's finish the card with the element. So I'm going to pull one of the red here, and I'm going to bring the big frame, and then I'm going to share many other one that I did. So it's no right and wrong, okay? Absolutely no right or wrong to this. You just create a way, and when it comes to create, it's no set rule in stone. You just do what you feel to do. I should have stamped my greeting first. That's a boo-boo of mine, because now I got the 2 line in the back, but I didn't think because I was talking away. So let me ink this well here. So you would want to stamp before you attach the red in the back there, okay? Now let me stamp this good. Et voila, I did good. Now, you can put it this way if you want. You can put it that way, whichever you want. We're going to put it this way. I'm going to bring the dimensional, and again, you get plenty of dimensional to do all of your cards without needing any extra, okay? So no need of extra one. Very little that I suggest to add on. Like I said, the block, the glue. And then if you want the ink pad, different color, and also I'm going to do some wink of Stella here in a second. So we're going to put that there. We use the pine cone for the other one. We're going to use the flower for this one, and most of them, they go right at the top of their corner. I was almost done. I decided to go at the other end, so that's what I'm going to do here. So oops, let me this way. Going to put that there, and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue over here and put that right there. Et voila. How simple is that? You can add more flowers, like I said, you get plenty of them. Now inside this one, we're going to stamp the Merry Christmas. And I'm going to share with you how to use your glue dot. So I'm going to take just one of the little poinsettia here. So It's a few things that I was trying to do, but the easiest one that I found for this, I just slide my glue dot to the edge there and pull it off. Slide it to the edge and pull it off. See? I don't need 3 of them, just to show you. And then you can take scissors, or if you get a poker, and just slide it off. Slide it off and oops, slide it off. That was the easiest one. I try with my pick tool, but also if you don't have a poker, you can use your scissors. And now we're going to put that right there so you saw how to use your dots. Okay, so let me share quick another thing that if you want a little bit more bling, this is called a Wink of Stella. It is a shimmer like pen. So you just squeeze on it, and then I added a little bit of shimmer on some of my flowers. Like I said, this is just extra. You do not need that for your kit, but if you like some shimmery, some bling during Christmas, I don't know how much the camera pick on this, but here we go. Now, the gold dots. Let me bring the gold dots, and that also, you just gonna find a place, pull it up here, and I'm gonna have just randomly. You get 90 glue dot, silver thing, 6 per card. If you do 6 per card, you're good. I mean, you get plenty. So I got 3 there, and I'm gonna put another one. Oops, well, usually, here we go. And I'm gonna put like 2 together there. And another place that I find that I like my glitter dots, it's in the center of the flower. See? So that's it. It's it. Like this one here, I use the big frame and the little frame, and still the red in the back. I put 2 flowers. Here's the inside. This one I put 3 flowers at the corner, 1 at the top there, and I stamp my branch in there. Here it's about the same that we did. I did the pine cone, the little dots inside. So now I am done with the 15 cards, and I got a lot of supplies left. Here, that's the one we done. Silly, silly me. Here's another one. This one I put it on the long way, and I put Merry Christmas and the big greeting inside. Here's another one. Here's another one. 1 and 2 there. And here's another one. Just 1 flower there with the glitter dot in the center. And the one with the family here. So that is it. And you see, we done 15 cards, and I got all this here. So with a pack of Whisper White and maybe a red or a green, you would have a lot more to make, because see all that it's left, it's crazy. So I can add quite a bit more inside or do many more cards. So that is it for the card kit, Joy of Sharing. You're going to have the direct link below, and also the direct link to see the card finish on my blog post. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.